All right, so here we've got a pro I power right bubble RPO or run pass option where the quarterback is going to take a look at the play side linebacker here and he's going to identify while he rides the halfback, while he meshes with the halfback, whether that linebacker is playing run or he's sitting in his zone and possibly even dropping to cover the bubble screen that's also being run right here. So in this play, the quarterback, as he sees the linebacker, just kind of freeze, maybe take a half step back to the side. His read is to give the ball, and he does end up giving it, and they have a nice inside power run here. So if you look at the power run blocking rules, pretty simple. Tackle stays on his man. Sometimes tackles come down inside for power, but against a 4-3 look, especially in underfront, where you've got a tackle in here in an inside shade technique on this guard and an end outside, you've got a real nice bubble to run this ball. Most teams will check that to just a man on block, and they'll just pull their backside guard around through the hole to the backside linebacker. The fullback is coming right through the same hole first, leading on the inside linebacker. And this nice bubble read here gives kind of takes care of this linebacker because if he steps back or hesitates, he's not going to be in position to play that run very well. And that's why they're going to give it there. But if he does step up or read run, come up hard inside, then the quarterback just pulls the ball, throws bubble screen, and now we've got a great 2-on-1 situation out here. Wise block is critical against a cover two they were showing here. He's got to break down quickly and block very aggressively against a hard cover two corner and take his outside shoulder and make sure that he can't come up and make a play quickly. It is possible to make a nice block here, but he's got to be ready and aware that he's in a cover two and he's not dropping. Backside tackle, he's going to step inside and hinge back. He's really got to get his hips tight to that center who's also blocking back to seal off any backside leaks coming through. So that's a pro I power right bubble run pass option. He's either going to give it to the H on the run or he's going to pass it to the Z on the pass, all dependent on what this outside linebacker shows him.